Hi, my name is Carl McDermott. I'm from Bristol. I got into lawn care through finally having the time to do something about the weeds in my front lawn that were getting very embarrassing. There was an awful lot of them, so I decided it was time to start attacking the lawn and getting it looking in a reasonable condition. I come here today to take part in the Allett Level 1 course, hoping to learn a lot more about grass, which I have. So much more that I didn't know, and a realization that I may be overfeeding my lawn, which is something that I didn't believe possible. Lunch was very nice. But I think my favourite part of the day is getting out and getting hands-free, getting busy, doing the lawn looting, laying the seed, doing the scarifiers, trying the machinery out, and of course having a go with the Allett mowers. Yeah, Richard's been very welcoming, like a lot of the other staff. They've all been very welcoming, making sure that you've got everything you need for the day, and making sure I think it's the best experience you could have. And it has been really good. I recommend it. It's great.